Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello and welcome back. So if you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's recipe, a few subscribers have been requesting that I should do a very basic meal. So today we are going to be doing one very basic meal that we can all relate to, and we are going to be doing Mchele Waru with Kamande, or rice with potatoes and lentils. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So at this point my onions have been cooking for some time. They are not yet golden brown because I feel like the word golden brown is usually misused by anyone who is cooking, but in this case the onions are very cooked, and I've added my garlic and ginger. I've written down the list of ingredients that I've used in this recipe in the description box below. We let this cook for some time because I'm using a low flame, and the reason is because I'm using a very small pot or sufuria or pan, depending on what you call them at your place. So we let the ginger cook for some time, then we can go in with our tomatoes. And for today I'll be using one medium small tomato. So we'll stir this for a few seconds, then let it cook till the tomatoes form a paste. And now it's time we go in with our capsicum. After a couple of minutes we'll go in with our spices, and for this recipe I used one Royco cube, black pepper, and salt to taste, because that's not a pinch of salt as you've clearly seen. And we'll give this a quick stir and break the Royco cube, then we can add in our potatoes and let them cook. opinion, but when I do it this way, the rice inachana vipoa hata kama it's not expensive. So we'll stir our rice kiasi kiasi, then we'll add in cold water, that is 2 glasses of what I used to measure my rice. You can try that hack and let me know how it goes for you. If at all you'll notice any difference of how your rice turns out, let me know. If you won't notice any difference, also let me know. But that always works for me. So you do not have any excuse of eating fried ugali with potatoes and lentils. After adding my water, nitakoroga mara moja, then I'll let this cook till it's ready. At this point, our rice is almost ready, and this is how it looks like. So we'll add in our coriander or dania leaves, or some other new term that I learned this week. You can also call this cilantro. Well, you're welcome, cause now you know. You put this on low heat and voila, our rice is ready. Always remember to remove your whole spices because they are not edible. And then we stir our rice kiasi, then we serve. As you've seen, it was that easy making this delicious meal. Don't forget to check out for new videos every Mondays and Thursdays, and see you in my next video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a platform where we cook simple meals with basic ingredients, but we always cook them with love. So on today's recipe we are going to be today what I'll be having for supper is rice with kamande and waru all in one pot, and I'll serve it with an avocado and some water. So let's get started. So let's get started.